Hi, my name is Adam Havrilla, and I would like to welcome you back to our design studio. It is January 1st of 2023. Can you believe 2022 is gone, it's a memory, and now we're going to start a new journey together. Today we're going to turn this beautiful bouquet into this design I called Be Better. Well, January is here. Happy New Year, 2023. This is our bouquet of the month for January. Nice, bold, colorful, warm colors. We're done with all those holiday colors. Now we want to have something vibrant. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the flowers and put them out on our tables. And like previous videos, and if this is your first video, welcome. If it's more than your first and you've been with us for all year last year, good to see you again. So separate them out. It just makes it a little bit easier to create the design. And like I just had a stem that had a bad foliage on it that was broken, just pop that off and throw it away. Not the end of the world. So now that everything is out, that makes it easier, right? So we can get to the design part. What we're using for this is a taller vessel. You can pick whatever vase you have at home, whether it's clear, cylinder. I just have this gold one sitting at the studio, so I just wanted to use that. The important part of this design is to have this branch coming out. We want to have this long branch to finish off the final design. So put a branch in, extend it out, still have enough space for the flowers. And when I added water, I did add a preservative. We know how important that is, so make sure you add preservative to it. Okay, first thing we're gonna add is the parvifolia eucalyptus, and it's gonna come out this way. So this is technically what we call balance. Now we have flowers coming out both directions. Next, I'm gonna add one of the lilies. And I'm going to take all the foliage off that's going to be below water, because anytime foliage is below water, it creates bacteria and it shortens the life of the flowers. So we have our two lilies, and again, we want to leave some negative space around them, and that means so you have enough space for that to open up. Because if you don't, then it's just never going to open up and you're never going to see the beauty of it. Now on to our Queen Anne's lace. I'm going to put that right at the base to fill up that whole space. Alstroemeria. Alstroemeria is the same thing like the lilies. You want to leave enough space for them to open. And depending on when you pick up this bouquet from your store, it may be still closed a little bit. Alstroemeria is one of those flowers that will just, it seems to live forever, to be quite honest. And do you see how just those few flowers is already filling up the vessel? Next, I'm going to add our stock. And I'm going to put this right here. So if you look at it from a design element at this point, what you're having is you're having this oval flow. There's no branch and then boom, it kind of flows. It's much more eye appealing that way. With your mini carnations, if you are lucky enough to get a stem like this is so beautiful, it has all these different laterals, go ahead and cut it down here. So then you have two insertions. Give the original one a fresh cut. Put that off to the side like there. And that goes there. And we're going to do the same thing with the other mini carnation. Two pieces, fresh cut, and I'm just going to put this back here and that there. Next, we're going to add the hypericum. I like to take all the foliage off because these need a lot of water, and the foliage is always the first thing to go bad. So when you take them off, you have these beautiful berries. And these we're just going to put through. And next we're going to add our gorgeous roses. Again, foliage always off before the water line. And these I want to have some height to. I want them to open up and just be the star moment. A helpful hint is when you are wanting to cut a flower into a vase, if you hold it up next to it and you cut, you can get an idea of where it's going to actually set in your vase. So do that at home, give a cut, and then you realize this is where I want it. I'm going to put, see how it works like that? And I'm going to put this right here in the front. I'm going to look at it and see. It's so hard designing backwards. I hope you guys aren't designing backwards at home. After looking at it, I'm going to just take these two off. And I'm going to put them right into there, just to give some more. And then once all of this opens, it's going to fill that all out. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So that is our portion of the floral design. Beautiful flow happening, branches out where we need it to be. We have this beautiful arrangement. And so this is the actual floral part. So this is the fun part of the Be Better month. We're in the Be Better January, so this arrangement is our Be Better. And so all I did was take some ribbons and hand wrote words on them. You could do this for yourself, you could do this for the kids, and then put them in a bowl next to the arrangement, and when you get home at the end of the day, you can be like, did I hit any of the marks? And when you do, then you tie them onto the branch, and then they hang there. Like I did one such as laugh. I know it sounds silly, but I wonder how many times people realize that they could go a whole day without actually laughing and having joy in their life. And then I put give on there. You know, have you given somebody a compliment? Have you given somebody something to make their day better? These are all about being better and being better for you. And once we do it, it just carries through the whole year. For the smaller ones, you could do ones for the kids so they can get involved, such as do their homework, clean their room, and just have them come with ideas, write it on the ribbon, put it next to the design, and at the end of the day, when it's done, you just take it and you tie it onto the branch. And this becomes like a fun, interactive design that's good all month long, and it really shows you, are you being better? Not for the world, but for you. You know, we all get wrapped up in the world, and we all did this during the holidays. I know you all did just as well as I did. There's got to be moments where we say, we need some moments for just reminding ourselves to every day be better, to find the joy, to find the happiness, to laugh, to enjoy those moments. It doesn't all have to be stressful. So this is just the Be Better arrangement to remind us to take a moment and to find what we need in life. I hope you enjoyed this month's video as much as I did, and I cannot wait to share the rest of the year with all of you. And remember, this is the first month of a very great year ahead. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next month. Have a great one.